Did you know that every ecosystem has its own unique food web, supporting a delicate balance of life? An ecosystem is a community of living organisms, like plants, animals, and tiny microbes, all interacting with their environment. Think forests buzzing with life, arid deserts brimming with resilience, and vibrant coral reefs that are underwater wonders. In these ecosystems, both living and non-living components play a crucial role. The sunlight feeds plants, which feed herbivores, and in turn, these herbivores become food for carnivores. It's a constant cycle. Now let's talk keystone species. These are like the superheroes of ecosystems. For instance, in a planet's ecosystem, sea otters keep kelp forests thriving by keeping sea urchin populations in check. Without them, the entire ecosystem could collapse. But here's the catch. Human activities such as pollution, deforestation, and climate change can disrupt these delicate balances. We need to take action to protect our planet's incredible ecosystems. So what ecosystem would you like to explore? Comment below.